His nose is twitching. He licks. He's ready. He's ready to pounce. Ready, ready, ready. Oh, well, oh, he got distracted. And he goes in for it.
Arubas.
Yeah, ready? Where is it?
We'll give it a toy cam.
It's looking at you. It's following you. Who's looking at you? Oh. Okay, let's try this again. You want it? Do you want this? Look at that face. You want this? Oh, ow! You got him.
Would be a yes.
You got him. Alexis.
Whoa!
Zinga. Zinj. You see him? You want him? You're gonna get him. Get him. Come on now, get him. Ah. Go. Goodbye, Tail.
Face full of Basenji butt.
His tail. Like, you like that ball?
Apparently. Apparently.
Teething?
The tongue.
What are you doing? How about headphones? Boom. You gonna make a call?
Give me that. You can't have that.
Are you gonna make a call?
Give me that. You can't have that. No, give me that. You can't have that.
You ready? Oh, did you see that? That was so cute. Ba ba bum. Bum ba 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 bum. Oh. Got your headphones on? Your beep bops? Your beep bops? Put your beep bops on.
Those aren't headphones. They're bark bones.
What does that say?
Or bone phones.
What's happening to it? Huh? What's happening to it? You'll do anything for this, huh? You like that? You like the cord? Ooh! Ooh, tug of war! Tug of war! Ooh! Make it squeak! Make it squeak. Just like that cord. Can I have the cord? Make that squeak. Here. Make it squeak.
Hey everyone, I want to give a shout out to Wally the Service Dog. It's a great channel. His owner is trying to raise awareness of service dogs and could really use your support. So please go check out that channel and subscribe and watch their videos. You'll learn some amazing facts about service dogs. And hey, Wally is adorable. You're going to love the channel. Go check him out. There's a link in the description or just click the icon in the upper right corner.